Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, April 26th, 2023. I'm here at English Landing Marina, or right next to it, and this is a hull clean video and inspection for passage. I did want to let you know that this line right here I found wrapped around your starboard prop, so I went ahead and I took that off, and we need to double check the prop because there's a lot of bending on the blades. So we're going to go ahead and check those out and get that on video for you. But let's go ahead and start. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.